Okay, this next one, Will. Holy cow. Did you see this clip? Miss World arrested for pulling crown from Mrs. Sri Lanka's head, allegedly causing injuries. This is one of the weirdest clips that I've ever seen in my entire life.
Really?
Yes.
You've seen a lot of clips. This one's
weird.
I
don't know. Maybe it isn't. No. I don't know. But it's very hard to believe that it's real. They crown this woman the champ. They put the crown on there. Tiara, whatever. And then moments later, one of the contestants gets on the microphone and says, this event is for married women only. And that woman who just won is actually divorced. And walks over to her and starts just reaming on the crown. I mean, not reaming on it, but like, obviously it's attached to the hair already at this point. Yeah. And the woman is, it's a shock. Yeah. And she's removing the thing. It's embarrassing. And they give it to the runner-up. After it's all said and done, the individual who had won and had it taken away presses charges saying, look, I got the injury on my head. That's assault.
Wait, so the runner-up who attacked
the runner-up did not attack.
Oh,
it was Mrs. World, whatever. I don't know what these things mean. Was the one on the microphone. She had her own crown. She won some next contest. She just happened to be at this contest from Miss Sri Lanka.
Oh,
so the runner-up was somebody completely separate. This person appeared to have the authority to remove the crown.
Oh.
But it didn't change the fact that there was a certain speed. She was trying to get it off so fast, like, you can't have that on. You didn't meet the rules. Which, by the way, there's all kinds of backlash now because they're saying, man, you can't. I don't.
Hey, don't do that.
Like, can you have a conversation after? I mean, you got to do this right now? And it's the same person who put it on the head, I guess, before finding out the information.
So I didn't watch this video. That's the girl who yanked it.
That's Mrs. World. And by the way, what is it? How are you having a pageant which is married? You can't be divorced. That is a weird stipulation. But then again,
Maybe
I don't know anything about. I don't know anything about these things.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about these things. This is okay now. Right here,
she has her own crown
because she's Miss World. So she's like the authoritative. That's Miss World, I guess.
Well, she owns the world at that point. Why is she
not
dogging on
she not dogging. What it is she is in an authoritative position, and people are expecting her to enforce whatever rules there are. And this is where she goes for the removal. That's the runner-up on the right who's crying, knowing that she's about to get this crown. I mean, the whole thing is so insane. I'm watching it thinking, what is this? Is this actually real? And it looks like it's actually real.
Oh.
She came out from the back. I don't know if she's an organizer.
Oh, that's not her.
The one that you pointed at came from the back and basically was pointing like, you gave me the wrong information, and very tense scene over here, and just so bizarre.
Wow, so they just embrace the runner-up?
They embrace the runner-up. The other one, nope. The other one just kind of walks off, and then.
Oh no.
And then, here's a quote. Okay, there is a rule that prevents women who have already been married and are divorced. So I am taking steps to make the crown go to second place. After a brief, non-violent struggle to get the crown from De Silva's head, Jury, that's her name, placed it on the runner-up, prompting De Silva to walk off stage. That's the original winner who was divorced. Anyway, she went to the police and lodged a complaint saying that her head was injured from the removal. Mm-hmm. And then the woman who removed it was arrested on charges of hurt and criminal force. What? Who imagined all that happening when they went to this show that evening? Or when they tuned into that? Who saw that happening? They will have to appear in court on April 19th.
Definitely got way more interesting.
Now, this was an important thing because it was a big deal. The Prime Minister this happened in Sri Lanka, by the way. The prime minister's wife was there. And this has been a huge uproar in that region, apparently. And people, at least according to this article, people are saying that the crown should be returned to De Silva, the original winner. But the crazy part about this is like, how do you even decide who wins these things? What is the criteria? You
can't be divorced.
No, I know that in this particular case, but I'm saying it's already so subjective.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you.
Rules,
this was a crazy video clip for me.
Yeah.
It was just so surreal to watch it. You know, as they go to remove the crown, and it's like a big day for that person.
I know. Yeah.
This crown means
and now
so
everyone
much.
knows that she's divorced.
It's such a weird transaction. Tense situation at Miss Sri Lanka pageant. You can go check it out.